tayo guys sa moto park. Ang ating kuya na siya ay nandun. Hinahapo ako. Kasi hinahapo ako, layo na nilakad natin. So ang dami nila ngayong nag-race. Hanapin natin ang ating kuya Nash. Pagdating namin saktong-sakto sked na nila. So ang dami nila. So hindi ko makita guys ang ating kuya. Pero nandiyan na siya. Hanapin ko sila ng cellphone. Hindi ko siya makita. Tapos na sila guys. Nahirapan yata ang ating kuya kasi first time niyang yung mataas yung hill. O ilang beses siyang tumaon. Anyway, it's good. So, nandun pa siya. Kasama ni Mr. Pinuntahan ni Mr. And marami na yatang pasok. Bago na ulit ang mga to. Napagod, hindi maiangat ang motor. Ang bigat kasi yata guys. It's very heavy.
Because it'd been led partly upside down, the fuel had flooded.
Oo.
So turned off the
Umatras.
fuel, pushed it off the track so they could get going.
There are two that left inside.
And then tried it.
Isn't it? There's two left inside.
Yeah.
Another one cannot go out. I cannot run the bike as well. So dalawa silang natira. Ay. He's already there out. Pagod. Masaya guys, pero saglit ko lang napanood. Ang layo ng nilakad kasi. Mas marami pa yung nilakad ko kaysa yung ninood ko. Ay nako. Anyway, happy end. Na-enjoy na naman yata. Nakakapagod maglakad. It's long walk. Hanggang ngayon naka-earpods pa rin ako kasi lakas ng kanilang mga makina. Nakarente. Ay. Hawawa ang ating kuya. Taob-taob siya. Ang daming tao dito guys. Full house. Ano ang parking? Sa labas pa ata ba na naka-park si Mr. Ang putik. Ay, nakakapagod guys. But anyway, buong araw pala to. Bayad na pala ni Mr. Sabi ko kung magbabayad ng next ride. Hindi pala, buong araw pala. Watch nila. Nakakaawa, anong hindi maiangat ang bike ko. Anyway, mag-enjoy tayo manood. Dalawang dede nung andala ko sa atin.
So the bike wants to stand up, and you're making it lean down, whereas you were going round and trying to hold it up, and it was falling over.
I only went 3 times.
You didn't tell me that it's all day.
Fell like
You managed to get
3
round
times.
3 times. The lady said he's doing really well. He's got round twice, and he's only fallen off twice. And then you run out of energy. And
Well,
once
I'm
you
so
fall
proud of
off,
you. You can do that.
Your energy disappears about 10 times faster than riding. That takes all your energy.
That's why we eat heavy meal this
So
morning.
don't fall off, you'll stay fitter. How are these?
Aalis na ulit guys. Second ride. Bye! Wala, malayo na. Sunod tayo. Hi! Pepe! You okay there? Dala namin yung cardigan niyang favorite. Silence nga pala ako. Nalimutan ko. Ako tayo guys. Habang ating post. Second ride. Second ride ko na. Mahuhulog na ang bata. Uh-oh. We're going home na guys. Pagod na sila pareho. Si Mister at ang ating kuya. Ano, pagod na? Parang nagbuhat lang. Nagbuhat lang. Oo nga. Hindi ka makaandar. Ano na, flat na?
Battery po.
Hi! Ang ating baby nasilip, oh. That's it, guys, for today's video. Pagod na, no? We're going home. Nagahay. That's it, guys, for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Pagod ang araw na to. Uwian na. Yan ang kanilang ganap. Tali.
Ash, what's the thing for?